Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a video on a DIY Christmas wreath that I managed to make for under £6 and I think it looks amazing. If you'd like to see how you make your own, please continue to watch this video. Here are the things that you will need for the DIY. First of all, I got an old wire hanger and I used some pliers to untwist it, then I bent it into a circle shape. It doesn't have to be perfect because the baubles are going to cover this hanger, so just the most circle shape you could possibly get. With my hanger I had plastic coating around it which had to be removed, so I would suggest trying to find one that doesn't have this, as that took a lot more time to do. I then moved on to gluing the tops of my baubles on just so they were a little more secure, as buying cheap baubles, they tend to fall off and I didn't want this happening to my wreath, so I spent extra time gluing on the tops before placing them onto the hanger. So just continue to glue the tops of your baubles on until all of them are done. Then thread all of them onto your hanger. After placing my last large bauble, I twisted the hanger back together, and then I wanted a little more structure to my wreath so it would last me many years, so I decided to glue my baubles in place. If you just watch the next few clips, you will see how I achieved to glue all of my baubles together. After that, I decided to add some smaller baubles just to fill in the holes and the gaps, just so it looked more fuller and more finished. So I just went around, filled in any holes and gaps with different size smaller baubles and just continued to go until I was happy with the finished look. You can finish your wreath off with any kind of bow or any kind of plant, anything you want to. I personally wanted to use this bow that I found in Home Bargains for around 79p and I think it finished it off lovely. I'm a little sad because I didn't realise when I picked mine up it has a slight little mark, but here is the finished product and I am very happy and very proud to hang this on my front door for Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if you give this DIY a go, please drop down in the comments below how you got on